For me, it's really kind of showed me how much support I have in other people and how much social support matters. Okay, my name is Corinne Kazoleas. I'm a coach here at Stark, and I chose Mind OC as my charity. Mind OC is an organization in Orange County, and they're working on building a mental health campus, kind of like a hospital campus. But it's going to be all-inclusive for mental health support. They're going to have things like crisis care, so if someone calls and they need a check or they need help, they'll literally have like ambulances to kind of go and help those people, and they're trained in treating mental health patients. There's also going to be different programs for alcohol and substance recovery. There's going to be suicide prevention. They're going to work on kind of the stigma of mental health that really stops a lot of people from asking for help. So I think it's going to be really cool, and it's going to be the first of its kind. If it does well, hopefully it'll kind of spread throughout the country. I think it'll be a really cool resource for people to have access to. Last year, seeing how Becca was kind of shifting the program a little bit to be more aligned with what we do here, right? Like, we're going to address the mental side of things. We're going to address the food, the workouts, all of that, the recovery. Makes it a lot easier, and I think kind of helped me prepare mentally for this challenge of, I know that I'm being taken care of, I just have to communicate when I need help. It's really cool to kind of have access and see all these things that my students go through as well. I mean, before this, I wouldn't say I really struggled with my fitness or my nutrition in major ways, but it's just kind of cool to see like, oh, you know what, I had a really hard day and I was able to text Becca and she texted right back and was just kind of there and supporting me, and it was really awesome to kind of see that other side of Stark serving me and not the other way around. It's really helpful to have that accountability and just have those other people I can talk to about my struggles, and they understand and they support me and they're doing it along with me. If you can kind of learn from what people are doing right now, if you can see what they're doing to fundraise, if you can see how hard they're working, like, you don't need to be training 7 days a week. If you're following the program and you're tracking your food and eating the way you're supposed to and getting in all of your workouts, like, it doesn't have to be really intimidating or crazy. It's just kind of exciting to kind of push myself, see what I can accomplish through all of this, even though coming in, I didn't really mind what I looked like at the end. It's kind of exciting, like, after putting in all this work, like, I really do care now. Like, I want to look my best and I want to work really hard and raise a lot of money for my charity.